Today, we will be going over a brief overview of Badger Map's advanced CRM integration. Starting with the web app, you will see your map marked with pins associated to the various objects you will find on the left navigation bar. In this example, you will see that we have companies, contacts, and deals. Each of these objects allows you to access the various records from the CRM. In this case, you can see we have companies, and if I click on Badger Maps Inc., it will pull up the pin, allowing us to see the connected fields with the CRM. We can also open this record in the CRM via the Open in CRM button. Over here on the top, you can also see we have a related tab. This related tab is where you will find all related objects and activities for the selected record. This is where you will also add new activities for the record. In this case, we can go ahead and add a call for this customer by marking the outcome, the direction, putting in any relevant notes, marking the date that this occurred, and creating a new call. When creating these activities, these will also push back over to the CRM. Moving back over to the navigation bar, this is where you will find your data visualization. This will allow you to colorize and filter your data, giving you a more strategic approach to managing your customers and routing. In this tab, we can come through and we can colorize by our different data types or the different fields that we have integrated from the CRM. We can also filter by these different fields to give us a better approach to our routing. Speaking of routing, we can come over to the Routes tab, and Badger has made routing as easy as adding your records and clicking Optimize. We can click on the Routes tab and click Add a Record. You can see we still have our different data types here, and I can add this record into my route. We have made this even easier. If we zoom out here, we have made this even easier by allowing our users to use the Tools tab to bulk select records to add to a route. We can go down to our Tools tab in our left navigation bar. We can hit lasso and make a selection of accounts. From here, it'll tell us how many we have selected. In this case, we have 15. We're going to go ahead and add these to our route, making it much easier to route our day-to-day activities. From here, you can notice that this route is not optimized. Badger Maps will automatically optimize your route based on drive time, helping your team save time in planning, as well as on the road to eventually visit more customers. So in this example, we'll see we will optimize this, and it will take this route and put it in the most optimal order based on drive time. From here, your reps can save these routes, and they will show up in a Saved Routes tab here. They can then at any time open this route and run that route as needed. From here, your reps will also be able to visit more customers, which leads us to our lead generation. Badger makes this really easy by having in-house lead generation, which allows you to come in and find new potential customers. By searching for a specific search term, in this case, let's use warehouse, we will load your map with various pins of new potential leads that fit your search terms. From here, your reps can go in and add these to their route to go and visit this new lead, or they can add it directly to their data back into the CRM. With that, we will move over to the Badger Maps mobile app to see how Badger can be used on the go.